Hey there enthusiastic learners, this is me उपवासिका and आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं mind boggling topic that is subject verb agreement. This is also known as subject verb concord. But before we proceed to understand the topic in detail, we all must know what is subject and what is verb. Subject यूजुअली सेंटेंस के बिगिनिंग में प्लेस किया जाता है एंड ये नाउन और प्रोनाउन की फॉर्म में होते हैं. Verbs are action words or doing words and ये state of existence के बारे में भी बताते हैं. The basic ideology of subject verb agreement is to match the subject with the verb and vice versa. Subject को verb के साथ match करना है and verb को subject के साथ match करना है so that you have the correct structure of the sentence before you without any flaws. Now let's quickly grab the basic rules of subject-verb agreement. As per the first rule, a singular subject takes a singular verb and a plural subject takes a plural verb. I know it sounds really confusing, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you step by step all about this topic. So, singular subject में we use he, she, it in the form of pronouns. Nouns के लिए we use a single name. राइट. सिंगुलर वर्ब में फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब में एस और ईएस को ऐड करते हैं या फिर इज को यूज करते हैं प्रेजेंट सेंस में, वॉज को यूज करते हैं पास्ट सेंस में एंड हैज को यूज करते हैं टू शो पोजेशन. दीज ऑल आर सिंगुलर वर्ब्स एंड टू मेक अ क्वेश्चन वी मेक यूज ऑफ डस. मूविंग ऑन टू द प्लूरल पार्ट. प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट में वी हैव वी, दे, you and I. Though you and I refer to a singular person, yet they have an agreement with the plural verb while talking about this concept. Talking about plural verbs, we use only the first form of the verb in it without S or ES. And in case of B forms, we have are in the present sense or in the past sense. Besides this, we have do that is used to make questions. Let's discuss this through an example. She writes with a pen. Here, writes is a verb which is a singular verb and it is in agreement with the singular subject that is she. Let's take an example of plural subject which agrees with a plural verb. They write with a pen. Now they is a plural subject and it is in agreement with the plural verb write. Let's go ahead with the second rule, the case of collective nouns. Collective nouns groups को बोलते हैं जैसे team, family, committee, all these are collective nouns. Collective nouns के केस में अगर team या committee या family means a collective noun is in consensus, then we make use of a singular verb. But अगर सबके बीच में agreement नहीं है एक committee, एक family और एक team में, then we make use of a plural verb. Let's discuss it through an example here. The team is playing well today. This is a case जहाँ पर पूरी team is united. सब इकट्ठे खेल रहे हैं. So इसीलिए यहाँ पर singular verb has been used with the team. In another case, we will use plural verb with the collective noun. Example, the team are arguing with each other. यहाँ पर it clearly shows the team is not on the same platform. इसीलिए argument को दिखाने के लिए, division को दिखाने के लिए plural verb has been used. Going ahead, next is the rule for compound subjects. Compound subjects के केस में भी दो variations हैं. Let's understand the first one. Compound subjects के केस में दो nouns या pronouns and की help से join किए जाते हैं. जैसे Tom and Jerry. Here Tom is the first noun and Jerry is the second noun. तो Tom and Jerry are friends. यहाँ पर Tom and Jerry मिलकर compound noun बनाते हैं. इसलिए उनके साथ are का use किया गया है, plural verb का use किया गया है. But this is also the possibility where compound subject single entity को refer करता है. उस केस में singular verb is used. For example, macaroni and cheese is my favorite dish. Bread and butter is my favorite breakfast. Let's dive deep into the topic and discuss the case of indefinite pronouns जिसको हिंदी में अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम भी बोलते हैं. Indefinite pronouns each, everyone, everybody, somebody, anybody, nobody, no one. All these fall under indefinite pronouns. इनके केस में the agreement of the subject takes place with a singular verb. And the example for this is everyone wants to succeed. Here everyone is an indefinite pronoun जिसके साथ wants singular verb has been used. But there is an exception to it. Some, none, एनी के केस में जिस नाउन के साथ ये यूज होते हैं उनके ऊपर भी डिपेंड करता है वेदर टू यूज अ सिंगुलर वर्ब और अ प्लूरल वर्ब. Let me quote an example for you here. Some of the cake is gone. Here, cake is singular. That is why the verb is has been used. The other example, some of the cookies are gone. Here, cookies are plural. That is why are has been used. With words like both, many, several, we make use of plural verb. For example, both the friends were invited to the party. Going even further, let's take the next rule. Titles, names of the books and movies के names के साथ singular verb is used. Example, The Lord of the Rings is my favorite book. Another example, Harry Potter is a blockbuster hit. The next rule is plural forms which are singular in meaning. For example, mathematics is difficult. यहाँ पर mathematics में s लगने की वजह से ये plural form तो बना रहा है, but at the same time it is referring to a singular subject. That is why it is in agreement with the singular verb. So the sentence is mathematics is difficult. In the similar sense, for the plural nouns that refer to a singular object, make use of a plural verb. For example, the scissors are dull. यहाँ पर scissors एक object है लेकिन इसके दो blades हैं. That is why the scissors are dull has been used. Let's take one more example. My trousers are new. यहाँ trousers के दो sides होती हैं. That is why it is taking a plural verb. My trousers are new. The other rule is for here and there. Here and there के case में depend करता है noun के ऊपर whether to use a singular verb or a plural verb. Let's take an example. Here is the book you wanted. यहाँ पर book जो है is singular. That is why here is has been used. Another case is the case of a plural category. Here are the books you wanted. यहाँ पर books are plural. That is why are has been used. The next is the rule for the expressions such as well as, in addition to, together with, along with. इसके case में the verb has to match with the former subject. Taking an example here, the teacher as well as the students is excited. यहाँ पर the teacher is the first subject. That is why the verb is in agreement with the first subject. इसी sentence में if we change the positions of the subjects, the agreement will take a different shape. जैसे कि the students as well as the teacher are excited. अब the first subject is the students, the former subject is the students, इसीलिए the verb has to match with the students. So to sum up, in सभी expressions में the verb has to match with the first or the former subject. Alright, now the last rule as of now for this video, the rule of one of the. अब जब भी one की बात करते हैं तो one को हम हमेशा plural noun में से निकालते हैं, जैसे कि one of my friends, one of the cars, one of the books, like that. So इस case में you have to match the verb with one. So one is singular, so the verb will also be singular, right? So let me quote an example. One of the cars was stolen. One of the cars was stolen. Cars प्लूरल, उसमें से आपने वन निकाला एंड वन के साथ आपने अग्रीमेंट किया वर्ब का was. पास्ट फॉर्म में इट इज was. Well, I hope you have clearly understood the topic today. To learn more, like, subscribe and share.